our 3-year-old,
Yeah, boo.
soon to be a movie star someday, Bella Rose Conforti, playing trombone. Go ahead, Bells. Show us what you got. You're on video. Play me a good song. Go ahead, keep playing. How old are you?
How old are you, Belle?
How old are you?
3.
How old? How many old are you?
5.
No, how old are you?
3.
3. Say it clear. How old are you?
3.
Yay. What's your name?
Bella. Bella what? Bella Conforti. Bella Rose Conforti.
Who's beautiful?